Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery on an Acura RDX key. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery. This is a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, widely available. Begin by locating the small release button on your key fob, usually on the side or bottom. This button allows you to access the emergency key, which is the first step in opening the fob. Once you've pressed the release button, slide out the physical emergency key. This key is crucial for the next step. Insert the tip of the emergency key or your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key was removed. Gently twist or pry to create a small gap. Work your way around the seam, carefully separating the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most Acura key fobs use a CR 2032 battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its slot. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive, or plus, side is facing upwards. Just like the old one was, it should snap securely into place. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Reinsert the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals. Finally, test your key fob to confirm it's working perfectly. You should see the indicator light flash and your vehicle respond to the commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.